If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. After creating a new company file in QuickBooks Online, you should customize its settings. To access these settings, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar. Then click the Account and Settings link under the Your Company heading in the menu to open an Account and Settings window. The company settings categories appear in a menu at the left side of the Account and Settings window. They are Company, Usage, Payments, QuickBooks Checking, Sales, Expenses, Time, and Advanced. By default, the company settings appear to the right when the window opens. However, you can click any button in the menu to show its settings to the right instead. The Company Settings category contains settings in different sections named Company Info, Legal Info, and Customer Contact Info. To edit most settings in this category, click the Edit button to the right of the setting, change its information, and then click the Settings Save button. The Company Info section lets you add a company logo and edit the company's name, address, email, phone, website, and industry. To add a company logo, click the pencil icon next to the picture of a store at the top of this section to open a new Select window. To upload a new logo, click the Upload button to open a system dialog box that lets you navigate to and select the logo file to upload. Then click the Open button in the System dialog box to upload the picture to QuickBooks Online and set it as the primary logo. To set a new primary logo, if you upload multiple logo files, click the triple dot icon at the right end of the logo to set as the primary logo, and then select the Use as Primary command. To delete a logo, if it is not the primary logo, click the triple dot icon at the right end of the logo to delete, and then select the Delete command. After selecting the correct logo to use, click the X button in the upper right corner of the Select window to close it. To change the company's name, address, email, phone, website, or industry, click the Edit link to the right of the setting to change. If needed, then enter the two-factor authentication code to continue. Then change the setting's value, and click the Save button to save the change. The Legal Info section lets you change the legal business name, the EIN or SSN, the legal business type, and the legal address. To edit any of these settings, click the Edit link in this section, make the desired changes, and then click the Save button at the bottom of this section. The Customer Contact Info section lets you edit the customer-facing email and address for the company. To change either setting, click the Edit link to the right of the setting to change. Then change the setting's value, and click the Save button to save the change. To set the privacy settings for your signed-in Intuit account, click the Privacy link at the bottom of this page to open the Intuit Privacy page in a new browser tab. You can then navigate to the desired privacy settings to set them as desired. To close the Account and Settings window when finished, click the Done button in its lower right corner. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.